Hola mis amigas, hello and welcome back to another video. I am just so glad that you guys are here and that you made it here. I am just so happy to be back at it again because by the title of the video you guys already know lo que vamos a estar haciendo. So I want to welcome you if you're new here to my channel. I am just so glad that you made it here and hopefully you stay here for long with my little familia. I am just feeling so blessed, mis amigas, because it's just been such a accomplishment for me on how far I've been. I know that it's a little bit, but every little step matters, mis amigas. So no se olviden, if you guys have a goal in your mind, una meta que ustedes tengan en la mente, do not forget to take some time and realize that it's really, really important. Although other people may not know it or see it or understand it, but if you have the vision to it, mis amigas, it is all worth it. And trust me, work for it, mis amigas, set goals because it is super, super important. So with that being said, mis amigas, welcome to this video and I hope you guys enjoy this cleaning session for me. And I am not sure when I will be posting this video. I'm hoping before Thanksgiving, just because this video I made it specific of getting ready for Thanksgiving before my family comes in and has a feast in my house, because I will be hosting this year and I'm just super, super excited because of that. So let me know, mis amigas, where you guys are going to be having Thanksgiving, at your house or in other people's homes. I'm just super excited. Let me know that down in the comment section below, and I want to know what is your favorite dish for Thanksgiving, because I have to say I am the only one in my family, well, kind of the only one in my family that enjoys eating turkey. And you know, I would be making a little small turkey for us, and hopefully my family appreciates it. I'm pretty sure they will. But with that being said, mis amigas, let me know what's your favorite dish. Say, mis amigas, that one of my favorite parts about cleaning my house is cleaning it in la noche, just because I work throughout the day and you know we're busy running errands and stuff like that. And if you guys have kids, picking up from them from school or whatever wherever they go, because we just get super busy throughout the day, and just kind of cleaning my house in a noche, it's just a relief for me, because the next day I just wake up to a clean kitchen. And I think, and I'm honestly, mis amigas, I am not perfect, but I try my best to maintain my house limpia as best as I can, because it just gets chaotic. I only have one daughter, and I don't know about you guys, but también eso también nos we just get so busy. Us as moms, we get super busy, and we just, get tired of doing the same routine at sometimes. But it's okay, mis amigas. We are human, we're moms, and we are working moms, mis amigas. But again, it's just a blessing to have my house super clean. I can breathe and just relax on en esa noche. Ustedes pueden notar, pero en esta parte, like, you guys can see, I'm hoping, la luz, the light up there above me, and it's so dirty. I do have like those lights, they're so vintage. When we bought this house, it just literally just came with that light fixture, and we just haven't changed it since, because we just haven't found the one that we really liked. So for now, this will do for us. And yes, mis amigas, está bien sucia, and I'm gonna be showing with you guys en un ratito that first limpié la mesa y luego se me olvidó. I was like right there thinking, se me olvidó limpiar la luz, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it right now. So sí, la voy a limpiar, y luego ya después quedó super limpia, and volví a limpiar la mesa again, just because you guys will see, I am sure. Y sí, yes, mis amigas, me subí arriba de mi mesa, just because it was just faster for me, pero I just make sure that I clean it up. No worries, it's okay. So yeah, so quedó super limpia, and yeah, so I'm just happy. Amigas, hello, and my daughter apenas acabó de abrir nuestro paquete que agarramos, and we're getting ready to put our Christmas tree probably tomorrow, mis amigas. But check this out. So these ornaments right here, they're huge, and I've been looking for some cute, affordable white ornaments. So I finally found these, and so I actually got 2 boxes. They were on sale, and I did end up getting them from Target, and there is literally 9 of them. So I think this is enough for my tree, and I'm just super excited to put them up on my tree already because they're super awesome. I was telling my daughter that I regret not getting like the different gold color, because they have like, I believe they have like red, obviously white, and then gold. I think I'm missing another color, I'm not sure, but I regret not getting a pack of the gold just because that's like my theme, white, gold, natural vibe. Super excited, so I end up getting two of them.